This is the QTP script for the automation. There are 6 test cases. Each test case represents one XML message. All these messages follow the same framework as these 3 steps. We're going to take the first step, which is the send XML message. It involves the manipulate the data by using the XML warehouse utility and the XML DOM object. Send the data by using the win HTTP request object. So we're going to pick the test cases. Let's choose the player profile add. In the player profile add, first of all is to build a XML message by using the XML warehouse schema, player profile add. Let's go to the setting, XML warehouse. This is where all of the message schema is located. Go to the player profile add. It has all of the fields. And then we're going to have an object, XML object, to create the data. For example, the first name, preferred name, middle name, last. After build the data, then we're going to have the XML message to be sent over to the source app. Let's check this function. The source app is using the when HTTP request 5.1 objects it created, and then open the HTTP connections. Host service is where the IP address and the port of the SOAP application is located. Then we send the SOAP request with the XML message data. Then we got a response from the SOAP app. Let's go back to the scripts. Then the result of the XML response message is here. This is the first framework. The second one is to validate the response message by check the XML data against the input parameter, which is a QTP data table, and then check the response XML data against the database directly by itself. So let's go to the another actions. It's called add verification actions. So it retrieved the data in each field of the XML response. And then this is the parameter value of the QTP of a first name, for example, preferred name, middle names. And then it goes to the database directly to get the first name. Let's go to the get record set data functions. First of all, you open the connection, which is open the database connections. by using the a.db connection object. We open the SQL Server database with the connection string, for example, like a user ID, password, and the name of a server. After you open the established SQL database connection, then you execute the SQL commands and then get the result back to the first name, last name, and preferred name. So now we have the database, the first name. We get a first name from the database. We get from the parameter, QTP parameters. The next one is the verification. First of all, you check the parameter name, first name, with the response XML message. Then the response XML message check against the database directly to see if it's matched. If not matched, then there will be the fail report. This is the second step, which is the verifications. The third step is generate a report. Which will be the last steps. So this is the overall of the framework for the automations.